Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Universal Device Hub, an innovative framework designed to streamline the management of your connected devices. Before we explore the ins and outs, make sure your system is primed for optimal performance. Begin by integrating your devices with our platform. It's all about crafting a seamless network that can grow with your facility's needs. Ready to take control? Navigate to the Connected Devices tab. This is where the real transformation begins. Here, you'll find yourself in the command center of device data with live metrics, historical trends, and critical alerts at your fingertips. Assign sensors, set parameters, and tailor the interface to match the unique pulse of your facility. Don't miss out on setting proactive alerts for maintenance. With real-time data and predictive analytics, you can ensure that your equipment operates without a hitch, safeguarding against unexpected downtime. With the Universal Device Hub, your entire operational view is in one place, accessible, up-to-date, and incredibly intuitive. It's not just about monitoring. It's about enhancing the efficiency and productivity of every piece of equipment under your care. And there you have it, the power to transform how you interact with your connected devices, making your management process not just smarter, but also more integrated and responsive to your facility's rhythm.